Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So, yeah, just a very quick unbagging today because as you possibly heard at the beginning, yeah, the Hound of the Baskervilles, Millie Moo, has joined me and I think she is wanting her tea, so she is having a bit of a ahoo at me. Okay, yeah, this was in the smallest parcel I've ever received. Well, the smallest well-wrapped bag I've ever received. Do you want to come on my knee? You're coming up. Right. So, as you can see, I have just been joined by the lovely Millie Moo. Yeah, you make a better door than a window, sweetheart. Can I just sort of scoot you to one side, or shall we do this unboxing at this side? So yeah, as I was saying, look at all the sellotape and everything that is on this little packet, and that's how it came. So yeah, but it's quite exciting stuff. Are you going to help me do this? Hey, are you helping me do this? Okay. So we're going to have a look in here, and it is okay. Oops, it could just be a set of coasters. Oh heck, not more coasters was the cry. Let's just scoot us up this way a little bit. So yeah, I'm on a very small piece of desk now because Millie is sat on my knee and has decided she wants to go in. So let's see what we got this time. I am actually, I've decided, going to get a chair to sit next to me so that Millie can come and sit on a chair. She's looking at all my diamond painting pens at the moment. So yeah, these are Christmassy ones, so they're all crystals. And we have a pen, boat and wax, a standard toolkit. And then look at these. We've got our little stand, but look, they're all little gnomes in mugs. And I just thought, well, Gonks in mugs, because you can't see their eyes. They're actually a lot smaller than I was expecting. I know they've got to be a certain size to go in the thing, but I think they're quite small to put a mug on, don't you? Yeah, so the acrylic ones. Okay, so we've got the greeny one with, he's got candy cane, he's got cinnamon sticks. Not quite sure what that is actually. I was thinking, oh, it looks like kiwi fruit. Could be, I suppose. Each to his own. But yeah, he's just peeking out the top there. And then we have this one, which has got, I'm not quite sure what this is. That's got that one as well. Oh, it's a lollipop. I've just looked at one of the others. It's a lollipop, Millie. And that one's got swizzle sticks and like a cinnamon stick. Do they smell funny? Is it the glue? This one, look at this one. They've all got the little hands over the top as well. This one again, he's got his moustache, and again that looks like well candy canes and peppermint things, and wonderful. So these were actually from AliExpress, not Amazon. These were from AliExpress, and it's 8-piece Christmas diamond art coasters, and they were £9.95. But I just think they're all absolutely marvellous. So I just had to get them. So that one's in a slightly different shaped cup. And again, lollipop and all different bits. My camera's just focusing on Millie. It's so used to being on Millie that it is just literally focusing on her all of the time. So then we've got this one. Who is he? He's actually in a cup rather than a mug, look. And that one's got, oh, a little gingerbread man looking over his shoulder. Oh, that one's in a Santa mug. Oh, I like that one. That's pretty. Can we not take pants so heavy, please? All anybody will hear is heavy breathing. And then that one's in a mug-shaped mug. I love the fact that they're all just that slightly different shape. I think that's marvellous. And then, oh... yeah, this one's in a cup again as well, and he's got a gingerbread man. So they're just absolutely wonderful. What a fantastic set of little coasters. So I'm not going to use them as coasters, to be fair, because to me the Christmas decorations, I would either turn them into fridge magnets, or I'm going to put pegs on the back of them. You know, those little wooden pegs. Just use a glue gun or some strong glue and hang them up, and maybe put them as card hangers or something. But look at this, we have for each one a little self-adhesive cork backing. So if you are using them as coasters, just trying to work out which ones these are though. Which one is that? Oh, that's that one. Okay, let's just see if we can match these up. Let's play Match the Gnome. So is that, so they've not got all of the coaster, it is just part of the coaster, all of the mug, it is just part of the mug that you are actually doing. Some of them are, say they do look small, but I think it's because there's so much detail on them. So this one's got 2 spikes, so oh, it has to go that way. No, it has to go that. Are they the wrong way around then? They are, because that the sticky should be on the other side, shouldn't it? No, there should be. That one's the wrong way up then. Oh, is that's? Oh no, it's not that one. Is it that one? Must be that one. Oh, it's that one. Look, didn't tell me, did you? Yeah, the sticky's got to go. The white bit's got to be face up, otherwise. All right, sweetheart. That's that one. I've never had this before though. Usually you just get the rounds. So what are you doing? So is that one? That one's that one. Well, you get a game to play with this one as well. And that one's the last one, so that must be that one. So yeah, they've actually cut out, die cut out the shape of the backing for each coaster as well. Isn't that good? I think that's marvellous. So yeah, we have our little gingerbread man. And then this one, as I say, they've all got candy canes and everything. I am quite impressed with these. What do you think, Mills? Are these okay? Now you're just going to bite your feet now, aren't you? I think I'd sooner you didn't bite your feet on my desk. Don't bite your feet on my desk. Oh, I can't pick this one up. So, yeah. And then this one. And that one. And, oh, I don't know which is my favourite now. Which one's my favourite? I quite like the Santa one, but I think it's going to have to be this one. I think it's the cup with the little gingerbread man. And yeah, he's got a little bell on the end of his hat, look. And he's got 2 lollipops. So, yeah. Oh, that one's them. I wonder if they've got marshmallows in with them as well. Oh, they're cute. Oh, I'm so pleased I got these. So they are a little bit smaller in size than I was expecting. So let me just have a quick look. They're going to be about the 4 inches though. Yeah, it's just the width. Yeah, see, that one's only 2 3/4 centimetres, just under sort of 3 inches ish. This is the biggest one, and that one's nearly the 4 inches. I think I'd have preferred them that little bit bigger. And I mean, to be honest, because it's Christmas as well, you're likely to be putting wine glasses on them, aren't you? You know, or eggnog or whatever you have. I suppose the hot chocolate, so really you should be putting hot chocolate on them, but that is very, very tiny to be putting a mug on. But yeah, these are going to be used as decorations. I'm loving these. The little faces. I love how you can get so much character from literally just having a hat and a nose and a moustache. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 white ones, 5 white ones, white beards, and then 1, 2, 3 of the, oh no, 4, hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4 of the white beards and moustaches, and 1, 2, 3, 4 of the sort of bronzy, of the coffee coloured ones. So let's put that one over there. So yeah, you've got different shaded beards as well. Usually they are just white, so that's quite nice. And I do like the fact that they've got the cork backing as well. Ooh, what's that stuck on there? That's just a little bit of extra plastic that's come out of one of the little holes. Probably that one there. Sometimes, you know, that you do find that, particularly like key rings and things, that the little holes haven't quite punched through when they've done the making of them. So, right, let's have a look at these crystals. So Oh, we have, goodness, lots of colours. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different crystals. There's no special shapes or larger gems on these. They are all just your standards. So we have our lovely silver. Millie's watching herself on the iPad now that I've got next to me that I have, so I know what I'm doing and I'm the right way up. Got a paler green and a darker green and a lovely Christmas red and a little bit of brown and a yellow gold and a honey gold and a very light green and another shade of gold and a little bit of pink and a lemony pink, lemony gold and a darkish blue. And what colour's that one? What colour's that one, Millie? What colour's that one? You having a sniff? That one's a greeny colour as well. A little bit of black and then a little bit of bronzy colour. So yeah, lovely colours. I'm very, very pleased with these. I have got some more on order as well, a Halloween set. But for whatever reason, I ordered them at the same time. And the Halloween set, up until this morning, was showing not yet dispatched. It's now saying dispatched and due on the 11th of November. So I'm not quite sure what's gone on there or why they're going to take so long to come. I know if you don't spend a certain amount now that AliExpress was sending things out in different shippings, but because I'd ordered them both together, I thought they would both come together. I did notice today though that there's something about you can spend so much and only pay. Oh, what are you telling me? What have you heard? And pay so much postage. I'll see if I can do a screenshot of what they sent me, because obviously the terms are changing. I think it's because Temu do free shipping, so AliExpress are maybe fighting back a little bit. So that's just my little set of Gnome mugs, set of 8. Say £9.95, more than I normally pay. I usually like to get a bit more of a bargain than that on my coasters and things that I buy, but I just had to have these because I thought they were so cute and very, very Christmassy. But as I say, I think these are going to be Christmas decorations, not coasters. Okay, oh, somebody's car's going now. Right, well, yeah, I've managed to have my little helper sat with me the whole of the time through this. So yeah, she's going to become a proper YouTuber. Yeah, okay, she's now looking at herself in the mirror that I've got on the wall. Right, okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated, or a paw up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you would like to come back and see what we get up to next, and see whether Millie Moo's going to join us in our next video, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner, down here, and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of our videos come up, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! I'm going to say yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and we do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now. Are you watching yourself on film with all the Scotty dogs on the walls? That's you, look. That's you. It's you on film. Look at you. Hey, gonna say hello. Is it you? Don't bark and make me jump though, will you? Say bye for now.